Hello, it's Chris from the Customer Success team here at AgentRelay, and today I'm going to show you how to reassign a viewing. Admin users can reassign a scheduled viewing to another agent by selecting all viewings under the Viewings tab. This may be necessary if the original agent is unable to host the viewing. Okay, so we've got a viewing here. Select the grey button next to the viewing that needs reassigning, and it takes you to the Edit Scheduled Viewing screen. In Edit Scheduled Viewing, click on the Edit Agent to access the Change Viewing Agent screen. On the Change Viewing Agent screen, admin users can now reassign the scheduled viewing to a new agent. So let's assign that to Jason Thorne. Okay, and we can confirm this. Okay, and now by default all participants will be notified of the change of agent, with attendees receiving an updated email invite notification, and affected agents will also be notified by email. And that's it. So we can see now that under this username there are no more viewings. Okay, thank you very much.